Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the worlds of stock market. So I'm here going to present the Nifty 50 chart and analyze the Nifty 50 chart, and we'll discuss the level for next week and all thing about the stock market. To know the Nifty 50 level for next week is take a till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular Nifty and index update and stock market update. So as this is a short video, I'm making only for Nifty 50. So quickly discuss the chart, quickly go to the chart. I was making this box, this range which Nifty 50 traded long time, long means so many days, more than 1 week, 2 week. This I'm talking about. And from here, as I discussed, that it should be broken either side, either above side or downside, but the news is here that it has been broken upper side, the breakout from this range, tight range, and from here it has given the breakout. Even it has not taken a strong resistance at 22,800. From this day, it Nifty 50 never looked back, and going forward only since last 4 days, means whole week, it was going to the upside, back to back the positive green candle which we are seeing after long time. Yes, FII selling is little bit slowing down. Yes, so last event, day before yesterday, they have bought after long time. The FIs has bought. Important thing I want to tell, please give your attention, that from here what is going to happen, we have to discuss that. Since here Nifty, this is a 200 EMA, this line I have shown you. You can see nicely this, looking visible, that this is visible. It is a 200 EMA. Okay, this is 200 EMA, and Nifty 50 exactly taking resistance, took resistance here on the Friday. And as I'm making this video on Friday only, so this resistance has been not broken, which was very important. 23,400, this point, please mark this level, 23,400. This is a very important resistance, and very, means like I can say, this will give the directional move to the Nifty 50 to 23,400. And Nifty has closed below this level, 23,400, but yes, it has closed at 23,350, which I will not say it is a bad closing nahi hui hai. And 23,350 is also looking good, giving good sign. But yes, I am not saying that Nifty, now the market is in a bull run and the reversal happened, bottom has been made. I All these things I'm not saying. I'm only saying this line should be broken by the Nifty 50 with a strong volume. And even after this 23,400, this 23,800 will be very very important resistance to give the Nifty a different definite direction. I will only say that Nifty has now in control in the bulls, and come in the uptrend, has now trading in the uptrend, which is this level 23,800. 23,800 will be a key level. I feel that it need to be break this strong resistance to be in uptrend. So please mark this level. And quickly I will say that the Nifty, or yeah, if we talk about the support can be a support will be, of course, 22,800 will be a final and very strong support. I'm not thinking that next week Nifty 50 will break this support, as it is looking very positive. But yes, psychological support of 23,000 before that is very important. So 23,000 is very very important support. After breaking this, yes, 22,800 is a very important key support. So keep this level in your mind, that's 23,000 and then 22,800. Okay, these two level is very important. Not here, I'm talking about this level, this 22,800. ये तो breakout हो चुका है, ये उसके बाद आएगा. This will come after 22,800. I'm talking about short term next week. This is 22,800, but only after breaking 23,000. This resistance is very important, 23,400, and then after 23,800. So, all in all, in short, I will say the level, mark this level, that Nifty 50 important support 23,000 and then 22,800, and important resistance is 23,400 and then 23,800. Like and share video for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular index update and stock market update. Signing off.